Sweet tea daily, spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
Hi friend, welcome. Today I'm excited to share 5 doll-themed shoeboxes for Operation Christmas Child. It's my hope that these gifts will serve as a reminder to the children that someone cares, but more importantly that God loves them. Whether you're packing along with me or looking for ideas, I thank you for being here. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and do an overview and show you all of the items that I'm putting in the boxes. Then I will unbox one for you so that you can see how I arranged everything. As you can see, when she opens the box, she will see this lid design. It is featuring John 3:16, and it's a little girl holding a heart. Each little girl will be getting a doll and a dress or an outfit for the doll, and then some accessories. And I will go ahead and share a picture with you of all the accessories that come with the doll. I got these dolls off of the Walmart website for $2.64. Okay, so all of the girls will be getting a t-shirt from Children's Place. They will each be getting a drawstring bag, a ribbon dancer, an Uno game, one of these little smushable animals, a mini plush. They will each be getting a fidget ring, 2 necklaces, one with beads and bells and the other that's a cross. They will each be getting a little bracelet, some Crayola crayons, a coloring book, some school supplies, a journal book from sweetteadaily.com, and a hygiene kit. And right here is a brush and a compact combo. And I'll show you a picture of that so you can see. I just thought that they were really neat looking and also added a pop of color to the hygiene kits. I'm also including this folder with some lined paper and our letter and photo to the child. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to box the rest of these up, and I will be right back so that you can see how I arranged one of the boxes to get everything to fit. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is how I boxed this up. I put the coloring book and the folder in the way back, along with their little journal book. On the very top, I put her accessories and her dress. And I did not show you this earlier, but she has some really neat accessories that go with this doll. She has some hair extensions and a couple scrunchies and some barrettes. And the hair extensions turn color when you use the flat iron on them. It's really neat, and I have taped the batteries that go with this onto it instead of leaving them in the case here. And actually I replaced the batteries that were in here because they were not very good quality. So I replaced them with some Energizer batteries. And when you send batteries, you need to make sure that you are putting tape at both ends of the battery. So I did that, and then I taped it to this so that they will know that this goes with this toy. And I used painter's tape so that it won't leave a sticky residue behind. And the hair dryer is needed. It doesn't blow anything, but it does make a noise. So I've added another battery to the hairdryer. And then on top of that, I put her hygiene kit. Oops, a little smushy. Her hygiene kit. I don't know if you can see. And then right here, I have placed her pencil pack. Then you can kind of see how I fit everything else. There's her little, I put this in the corner, this little stuffed animal. And the flat things I tried to put on the bottom of the box. And then the ribbon dancer, I always tuck in the front side here. They always fit really well like that. Oh, and I took the hairbrush for the doll out of this bag here, and I just tucked it in right here. So, and her book bag is flat on the bottom. Let me show you. Oh, her Uno cards are right here on the side. And here is her t-shirt and her box of crayons. And then her drawstring bag. It was a joy to share these doll-themed shoeboxes with you today. It's amazing to think about the joy and hope these gifts could bring to the children who receive them. I pray each shoebox will be a tangible reminder to the children that they're deeply loved by Jesus. Whether you're packing one shoebox this year or more than one, know that your effort matters and that God will use it in a big way. Well, I want to thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in the